Hi guys, this is Matthew speaking for All for Shooters. We are here at the flagship store at Franconia in Rottendorf. Next to me is Julius Fach and we are talking about the new Mauser HSr pistol.
Yes, this is something new from GSG Germany. It looks a little bit like classic. It's from the design orientated from the Mauser HSc, but it's modernized. So
it looks very compact.
It is compact. The original one also is compact, but technically it's a mix between the Mauser HSa and the SIG P232. It have three safeties. It have a wing safety and two internal safety, and also have a decocking lever. So if you want to use this for carry or for hunting, that's good. It have single action, double action trigger, and you have here a threaded barrel.
You already mentioned hunting purpose. What kind of hunting?
Yeah, for trap hunting.
Trap hunting, okay.
Yeah.
But is this also for sport shooting?
Yeah, it's also in Germany it's for sport shooting. Maybe somewhere else it's for carrying as well.
Okay. And there is just one question that we don't answer right now. It's the price. Can you talk about it?
It's in the polymer. With a polymer grip it's 350 euros, and with a wooden grip it's 380 euros. So quite affordable.
Okay, and if I want to shoot it, I can do it here at Rottendorf at the
Yes, you can
range?
do it here in Franconia flagship Rottendorf. We have some testing sample here, and you maybe can see it also in a few other of our shops.
Okay. And if you want to know more about this nice pistol from Mauser, you just have to look at allforhunters, allforshooters.com, and on your website, I guess I get further information about this
as well.
pistol.
Yes.
Okay.